Hello, my name is Cynthia Clark, and I am the instructor for implementing technology for learning. If you've come to this video, it's because you've gotten to the part of the syllabus where I have created a timeline. And I know that with graphics and sometimes special features like this do not always show up for screen readers, so I'm going to verbally explain how the flow of assignments work in this course. So starting from August 24th, which is week 1, you'll take a Google Power Search quiz after you've completed some modules that kind of help you understand some of the more advanced features of Google. You're also going to read and watch some videos on digital citizenship and do a reflection on that. Now, by reflection, and you can work with up to 2 classmates on this reflection. You just kind of let me know, you'll see the question prompts, and you'll respond to those. Now you can talk with your other 2 classmates if you decide to do a group. Kind of brainstorm, what does it mean to you? How are you going to implement digital citizenship? Those kinds of things. And then there's a participation aspect each week as well, and that is also listed in the syllabus as far as what participation means. So that's week 1, August 24th, Google Power Search quiz you take alone, reflection on the pieces on digital citizenship. Week 2, August 31st, it's Universal Design for Learning. Some very important concepts on how you need to design not only your online or blended classes, but also face-to-face. It applies to face-to-face as well, and there's participation. September 7th is week 3. It's going to be about the pedagogy that you would use with technology and some of the learning theories. So reflections on that and the participation, of course. September 14, week 4, you're going to be looking at standards, ISTE, International Society for Technology in Education, and INICOL, which is a K-12 group that helps with K-12 learning. I know not everybody is K-12, but some of these standards can apply to wherever you're going to be using technology for education. And of course, the participation. September 21st, week 5, you're going to be looking at social media. This is a way to begin to develop personal learning communities and to find resources. So you're going to be reflection on that, and there's going to be the participation. And at this point, I'll stop saying participation because that's going to be every week. So September 28th is week 6. You're going to attend an online conference. These are free. It's a Global STEMX conference, and you'll pick a couple of sessions, and you reflect on your experience of taking those sessions. October 5th, week 7, we're going to be talking about open educational resources. This can help you quite a bit, especially using technology. October 12th, week 8, there's going to be the unit meeting with me. So either you or if you're going to do the unit project on your own, you can just come visit me, or your group, you come visit me. Let me know how it's going. Kind of an outline. You should at least have some basic ideas of what you want to do. And this meeting can also be conducted online, so it doesn't have to be face-to-face. Next, October 19, week 9, another conference, Global Education Reflection. It extends to all kinds of content. October 26th is week 10. We're going to be looking at curation. How do you keep track of all this stuff you're learning about, all the technologies you come across? So reflection on curation. November 2nd, week 11, it's going to be about mobile computing and anytime, anywhere type of learning. So the reflection on that one. November 9th is week 12, assistive technology. This is where technology really shines in learning. It is trying to help meet the needs of people who have need a little extra help here and there. November 16, week 13, it's going to be about how you can use technology to assess student learning. So you're going to reflect on that. November 23rd, week 14, you're going to start your unit presentations. There'll still be a participation aspect. I want to see in the discussions kind of like what you thought about some of these units, how we can help people maybe help them better design the unit, or what did they do so great that the rest of us need to take into consideration. November 30th, week 15, also the unit presentations will continue. And then December 7th, week 15, at the end of the semester, The papers, the unit papers are going to be due, and your digital version of your unit is going to be due as well. All right, I hope that helps some, and I will see you, so to speak, in the class.